Hey everybody, 'tis the season to make cookies. I'm gonna make, they're called orange juice cookies. It has no dairy in it at all. I know you're gonna say, really? It's gonna have no flavor? These cookies are light little pillows of delicious. Watch how easy it is to make. So, turn you guys around. Thank God for my KitchenAid. That's all I gotta tell you. All right. First, half a cup of Crisco, just plain Crisco. I'm gonna tell you, these things are delicious. I have a cup of sugar. Okay, throw that in there. Making coffee. All right, put it on. I have the oven preheating at 350. Now just slowly cream the sugar with the Crisco. All right? I gotta tell you, these cookies are amazing. Once that creams up together, you're gonna put about a half a cup of orange juice. Use good orange juice, whatever flavor you like, but nothing watered down because you want good flavors. All right, so mix that up a little bit. And in here I have 3 cups of flour. Just, whoops, okay, watch this. Put it in a little at a time so it gets really well mixed. And while that's mixing, put a half a teaspoon of orange extract. Watch this. This is just amazing. Oops. Okay. Lower it again. Put the rest. You're wondering what that is? That's my crazy dog barking in the background. So. Ta-da. I told you I'd make a mess. So. These are kind of sticky. And watch this. You roll them around in powdered sugar and you make little teeny tiny pillows. I gotta tell you, these are so good. They're amazing. Okay, scrape down. So get everything mixed in together. And you just keep going back and forth until everything is mixed. I know, it's really quick. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Give me a minute.